Imagine your Python program sending real emails automatically, confirmations, alerts, reports, just like Gmail. In this video, I am going to build that step by step, and I will show you how to create a Google app password so your Gmail stays secure. By the end of this video, my Python script will send a real email using Gmail SMTP. You will understand every single line of code and you will clearly know how Google app password works. This is not a toy example. This concept is used in real projects, login alerts, password resets, notifications, automations, and backend systems. First, I am importing SMTP lib. This module allows Python to communicate with an email server using SMTP, which stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP is a standard protocol used to send email over the internet. Next, I am import MIME text. Emails are not sent as plain text. They follow a format called MIME. MIME text helps you convert our message into a proper email format. Here I define three things: the sender email, the receiver email, and the password. The sender email, this is my Gmail account; the receiver email, where the mail will be sent; and this password. This password is not my Gmail password. This is a Google app password, and now I am going to show you exactly how I create this. Google does not allow normal Gmail password inside scripts, so we are using something called an app password. Right now, I am open my Google account. I go to security. Here I make sure two-step verification is enabled. After that, we search app password. Now there is a text field where I write SMTP mail and click create. Now Google generates a 16-character password. This password work only for this script. Can be revoked anytime. Keeps my real Gmail password safe. I copy this password and paste it here in my code. Now I am writing the actual email content. Whatever I write here will appear inside the email body. This is multi-line text, so I am using the triple quotes. Here I convert my message into a MIME email object. This step is mandatory. Without this, the SMTP server wouldn't understand email properly. Now I am setting the email metadata. Subject, from, to. Subject, what appears in inbox, from sender email to receiver email. Now I connect the Gmail SMTP server. smtp.gmail.com is Gmail official mail server. Port 587 is used for TLS secured connection. This line enables TLS encryption. This means all communication between Python and Gmail is secure. Here I log in using my Gmail address and the app password I created earlier. This line sends the email to the receiver. If everything works correctly, I see this confirmation message. At this point, the receiver gets a real email in their inbox sent entirely by Python. This is how real-world Python automation works: clean, secure, and practical. If this video helps you, comment SMTP, subscribe for more real Python projects, and follow to build future-ready skills.